Hello guys! Let's learn some colors today. Brown color, pink color, yellow color, dark blue color, orange color, red color, light brown color, green color, the gray color, blue color, forest green color. Let's learn to draw some shapes. Let's draw a pentagon. This is a right angle triangle. Now we are drawing a star. This is a star. Let's draw a triangle. Heart. This is a heart. Let's draw a semicircle. Semicircle. Pink color. Green color. Gray color. Violet color. Yellow color. Brown color. Pentagon, right angle triangle, star, triangle, heart, semicircle. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.